friends, today we are going to be using our spiral, and we'll be using page 15 and page 16 of our math sheets, and this is in your math packet. But let's start out right here. So this is what I had last time, so I'm just going to go ahead and put a line right there so I know that there's a difference between today's lesson and yesterday's lesson, or the other day's lesson. And I'm also going to get out my pencil, because when we do math, we do not use markers, we use pencils. So we're going to go ahead and write, and I'm writing it in blue, 8 plus box equals 14. And you'll notice that when I'm writing, even though I'm writing bigger than the line, that's so that you guys can see it. My equation does not go like this. I'm honoring those lines and making sure I'm writing across the lines. I expect you guys to do that too. So first, let's make a 10 to solve 8 plus box equals 14. We need to find out how many more we need to get to 14. So what is the total? Go ahead and say that to your hand. What is the total? 14. What addend or partner do we know? Go ahead and say it to your hand. 8. What do we want to find out? We want to find out the partner or addend that goes with 8 to make 14. So if we put 8 fingers up, how many more do we need to get to 10? So if I have 8 fingers up, how many more fingers do I need to put up to make 10? So that's 2. So if I can't do that. So if I go like this, you can see that 8 plus 2 equals 10. Now why do we want to figure out how many there are to make a 10? Well, I will tell you. For me, 8 plus 14 is hard. 8 plus something equals 14 is hard. But 10 to 14, to me that's easy. When I add 10 plus 4, I know that, like, here's my 10 and here's my 4. So instead of writing a 0 in there, I just put a 4. It's so easy for me to make the jump from 10 to 14. I know that I need 4 more. So if we get up here and make a 10, 8 plus 2 equals 10, plus 4 more equals 14. What does 2 plus 4 equal? So how many more fingers do we need to make 14? If we had 4 more fingers, we would have a total of 8 plus 6 equals 14. So I already have 8. I add 2 more to make a 10. So I'll leave my 2 up here because that's how many more I added. And then if I put up 4 more, I get 6. And that's where I get to the 14. So 2 plus 4 equals 6. I always try to find my tens in my equations when I'm trying to solve them for finding the mystery partner. All right, so that's the first thing that I wanted to teach you, is to start thinking about how you can make tens partners. So today, we're going to practice finding the unknown addend, and we're going to try to find tens. So if we have 8 already, how many more do we need to make 10? We know that we need 2. And how many more than 10 is 11? That's just 1. So 8 plus 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 equals 3. 8 plus 3 equals 11. Now, I could also go 8, 9, 10, 11. That works just fine too. Go ahead and try to solve this one. We're going to count back for that one. What's the partner of 6 that makes 15? Well, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add 4 to that, because 6 plus 4 equals 10. Now, so I have 10 here, and my total, this is my total, remember, if we make a math mountain, then the 15 is at the top, and the 6 is at the bottom. That means I'm trying to find this partner right here. So I know that there's at least 4 in it, but if I count from 10 to 15, I know that I need 5 more. So 4 plus 5 equals 9. 6, or we could do this way, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And if I count those guys up, guess what? That equals 9 too. So if that way works for you better, that's okay. All right, we have to find our partners here. 8 plus something equals 14. So if I make my math mountain again, I find that making these math mountains is a really helpful tool for me. Put my 8 here and my box here. Which do you like better? Do you like to draw the dots that go up? Do you like to use your fingers? Do you like to make a new 10 and then add up from there? I'm going to let you pick this time. Go ahead and try solving this one. I'll wait for you. Now, if you haven't finished solving it yet, you should pause the video until you finish solving, because I'm going to go ahead and carry on. So if you used your fingers, you might have done this. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So that equals 6. If you used your fingers, that's great. You might have done this. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then counted each of those dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You would write 6 there and 6 there. That's great too. You might have found your 10. 8, 9, 10. That was 2. And then added up to 14. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 2 plus 4 is 6. And that equals 6. So I hope that you have found a way that works for you. Because the most important thing is your strategy has to work for you. And you have to be able to be successful every time. I'm going to go ahead and stop right here. I do want you to do this page though. I just don't think that I need to do it right now on the camera. I'm going to turn the page right here. Now here, are we looking for a partner or a total? So remember, when we have a math mountain, the top right here, this is the total. Here's a partner, and here's a partner. Another word for partner is addend. I have to tell you though, that's a word that I don't use very often. It's important that you know it, but I usually say partner or other number. But I usually say partner, but addend is another word for that. So right here, are we looking to find the partner or the total? So here's a partner. Here's a partner. What are we looking to find here? We're looking to find the total. Oh, I think what we're supposed to do, now that I'm thinking about it, we circle. These are all partners. Or sorry, no, they're not all partners. Oh my goodness, you're watching Mrs. Littlejohn have a bunch of brain bubbles. You're finding all the totals The biggest number is the total here. And these are quick little math facts. They shouldn't take you very long to solve them. So you can go ahead and do those real quick. 5 plus 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, 13. So we can do those ones pretty quick. These are fast math facts. Now these ones, we can also figure out real quick. 7, we're going to go ahead and count up to 11. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 4. Is this a partner or a total? Remember, the two partners add together to make the total. So are we looking for partner or total there? You said total. You were close. You were almost right. But we're actually looking for the partner. Now here, they're trying to trick us here. But are you noticing that right here, when we look down at this math mountain, which one do we see here? Is this a partner or a total? Total's always at the top. Total, top. So if we look at this, this is kind of showing us what the math mountain looks like for all of these. Is this going to be a partner or a total? If you said partner, you are correct. So go ahead and solve that one, however you do that. So 11 minus 9 equals 9. I always like to count up 10, 11. Yeah, so the partner is going to be 2. And here's kind of a cool thing. If you want to draw a little math mountain, every time there's enough room for a little baby math mountain over here. And you could draw those if that helps you. Like I said before, drawing those pictures is always helpful to me. So when you're finished with this page and this page, do you think your teacher wants to see it? You bet she does. So make sure and take a picture and post it on Seesaw. Till next time.